My name is Marianna Suri. I am the curriculum lead in vocal studies here at Morley College. I'm also a soprano, and today we are recording Before the Mirror, a lost song by Ralph Vaughan Williams. The poem is based on a painting that depicts a woman looking in a mirror. And if you look at the painting, she looks very young as a person, but if you look at her reflection in the mirror, she looks quite old. So I think the painting and the poem try to depict this passing of time, the different phases of life, loves that have ended. But there's also a bit of a hint about death and something dark in the poem as well, as part of the whole life cycle, I suppose. It says, glad but not flushed with gladness, sad but not bent with sadness. Yes? So things happen in life. There's gladness, there's sadness, but either way, things come and go. So it's never just sadness, it's never just gladness, which I find incredibly philosophical and very composed in a way. It's been an incredible experience. It's a beautiful song, as you will hear. It's a very still song, a very meditative song. That's quite a challenge for the singer because you have to really control your breath and your phrasing when you're singing it. But it's been incredible to work with Dimitris in rehearsing this and recording this. The fact that this song has been sitting in the archives at Morley College for all these years, and it's just been discovered now that I'm starting my new role as the curriculum lead in vocal studies. I think it's an incredible sign. It's an incredible coincidence. And I feel very, very honored to be the one that's singing it again after all this time.